Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From the situation where the car recklessly crossed the road and collided head-on with the truck, causing severe damage, to the situation where the truck overturned while driving, causing a serious incident, this video was created for educational purposes. These events highlight the importance of implementing effective traffic management strategies and emphasize the significance of road safety. Let's get it on. Oh my, never cross the road carelessly like that, my friend. Please be more careful. The driver of the vehicle realized that the car in front had stopped but couldn't react in time. Please pay attention to the vehicle ahead. When you see a yellow light, be cautious of your speed and distance from the intersection. If you can stop safely before the light turns red, then do so. The truck driver was likely using a phone while driving, causing the vehicle to veer off the road. Let's eliminate all distractions while driving. This incident was simply a failure to maintain a safe distance. Fortunately, no one got hurt. Hey buddy, avoid reckless driving that can lead to losing control and colliding with other vehicles, causing dangerous accidents. Located in a town in the USA, this car crossed the road carelessly, causing severe damage to the truck. Please be careful when crossing the road, everyone. Oh my God, the driver was probably dozing off while driving, causing the vehicle to overturn. Always stay focused when driving, everyone. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. This incident occurred on the Tomoyas Highway due to the truck driver losing focus and rear-ending another vehicle. Always pay attention to your driving, everyone. Distribute the weight from your belongings evenly inside the caravan. Avoid overloading it, especially with heavy items. It's a good thing everyone is fine. I hope he knows how serious it is. If your vehicle starts to slide, gently steer in the direction you want to go without overcorrecting. Avoid slamming in the brakes, as this can worsen the slide and everyone is alive. Oh, always give the truck plenty of space to avoid accidents on the road. Please never brake suddenly while driving. Hopefully, the driver will learn a valuable lesson. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Oh, that truck was probably overloaded, causing it to lose control. Fortunately, no accident occurred. Practice patience and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. Oh my, why is there a car stopped in the middle of the road? Please pay attention to the stopping lane. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. This accident occurred in Indramayu, West Java, due to a car crossing the road recklessly and getting severely damaged by a truck collision. If conditions become too hazard, or if you unsafe falling over to a safe location and waiting for the weather to improve, oops, be cautious when making sharp turns and avoid sudden lane changes. Distribute weight low and evenly to minimize the risk of a rollover. Oh wow, this will be a lesson for careless drivers who cut into other lanes. Please pay attention to your own lane. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. The driver of this vehicle was definitely distracted. Always stay focused while driving, everyone. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Oh my God, a car was driving in the wrong direction and had a severe head-on collision with a truck. Please pay attention to your lane. An animal crossing the road caused the truck to swerve suddenly, leading to the vehicle overturning. Let's hope the truck driver's okay. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Hey buddy, never cut into another vehicle's lane. Hopefully you'll learn from this lesson. Even though this is a common sight, don't take it for granted. Obey traffic laws, mate. Oh no, don't tailgate, mate. Maintain a buffer zone to allow for adequate reaction time in case of sudden stops. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks.